Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Life is becoming increasingly modern, becoming an indispensable part of the appearance of technological machines. Just like tunnel ovens and complete lines have reduced the difficulty of bread baking many times. The sheet cake cutting machine is an excellent tool for easily slicing sheet cakes into equal parts. Ball making machine will help people a lot when making dough into a ball quickly in 5 seconds. The smoothness of the candy making process of this machine helps you relax a lot. Thanks to the bread slicing and packing line, the loaves are conveniently cut and packed directly. The amazing flexibility and speed of the rotofill pot filling and sealing machine assist people in packing yogurt in a convenient, clean way. This hard and soft biscuit production line is truly a powerful tool when it comes to every stage of biscuit making, from shaping the dough to creating the biscuit look. Moving thousands of apples and packing them quickly becomes simple with the fruit and vegetable packing line. Rondo Aztec pizza line with this modern design will amaze you by maximizing your production of pizza dough and pizza products in all formats. It's amazing how hard candy making machine helps increase productivity by simplifying every process to make candies. Automatic Lissa cup filling machines are indispensable when filling cups with liquid and then packing products. Sugar cones look simple but are created with sophisticated and modern technology using the Roll Co 36 rolled sugar cones machine. The time to make traditional Ottoman dessert has become shorter thanks to the use of Kadayef making machine when creating noodles quickly. People's work will be much lighter when the mango sorting and packing line has helped them clean, dry, and move the mangoes to be packed in the simplest way possible. create perfect burgers without human assistance or supervision when the intelligence of Burger Robot took charge of doing that. The kids will always have enough ice cream thanks to this ice cream maker. Automatic pineapple peeler corer machine leaves you plenty of time for other things. CleanFlex Dirt Loafer's rhythmic and efficient movements truly produce quality products that guarantee productivity and time. The power of technology is amazing, as this innovative design of the automatic spring roll forming machine creates beautiful looking flat spring rolls. It's unbelievable how smooth the process of making cookies look with the conveyor system of the KF600 hard biscuit machine. Automatic Achu Moruku machine with its unique structure turns food into a delicate work. Making hundreds of cookies in 1 minute is possible with the help of the GEA cookie sandwich machine. We fully feel the convenience of the robot cooks when it moves as gracefully as human hands have made delicious soba noodles. This is truly an omnipotent machine when it has ensured every step from start to finish to produce Stroop waffles without the help of humans. Cooking oil filling line has made our lives more convenient by filling oil in tanks so that it can be brought to market as quickly as possible. This new innovative line is the perfect tool to help increase productivity in the work of making those finished cookies. Making sure the ice cream boxes are filled and look neat is the forte of the manual ice cream filling machine. The uses of technology are truly endless, as this machine can be compared to a painter when it comes to helping humans with cookie decorating, tray handling, and dough cutting. Find this machine if you want to pack honey as conveniently as possible. The honey nozzles and large capacity are a great support for the honey jars to quickly reach customers. The automatic barbecue powders cup filling sealing machine is indispensable to make the work of humans lighter. Hopefully, we can use technology to support our lives.